There's a lot of talk about AI replacing analytics, just like it's talked about replacing every other engineering discipline. But the reality is, I think, more exciting. Analytics aren't dead, they're evolving. And the future is more about integrated analytics with AI that creates systems that not only report what happened, combine it with other systems, and can then predict what might happen and prescribe remediation actions long before the problem exists. Imagine a dashboard that doesn't just show you the last quarter's sales, forecasts next quarter, and recommends actions to improve performance on a person-by-person level. Or a supply chain system that not only tracks inventory, but also predicts shortages, automatically reorders stock, and manages your cost to carry risk. By combining traditional analytics and AI-driven insights, you actually create a more powerful decision-making engine for you and your business. The shift does require new skills, new tools, and maybe even a new mindset. But it's about moving from descriptive to predictive to prescriptive analytics and using AI to unlock deeper and more actionable insights. Our Modern Data and Analytics group is ready to help you out in building those next generation of intelligent and integrated analytics systems. We'll help you blend the best of both worlds, creating systems that drive smarter and faster decisions.